Cooking with Gloria. I'm Gloria, and today I want to share with you a very delicious rice. It's a bell pepper rice that I know that you guys are going to love and enjoy. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Are my ingredients: chicken bouillon, butter, all the colors of the bell peppers, rice, and water. This is everything we need for this delicious bell pepper rice. So let's get started. The first thing I want to do is start with my rice. I'm going to go ahead, take it to the sink, and I am going to rinse my rice really carefully. We want to go ahead and remove all the starch. We're going to rinse it in running water for about 3 to 5 minutes, making sure that the water starts running clear. When the water starts running clear, then we're just going to go ahead, put it aside, and let it completely get all that excessive water out. I am going to continue with my bell peppers. The bell peppers, I'm going to go ahead and rinse one by one under the running water. We want to make sure that we take any little dirt that they might have, anything. We want to make sure that we rinse them very good. This is a little bit time consuming, but this is important. Here, I'm going to start by taking the stems off every single one of the bell pepper. Take your time. Take the stem off. Once you have taken all the stems off of the bell peppers, then we're going to start slicing them. We want to make sure that we slice them thinly and all of them the same size. We want to make sure that when we add it to the rice, you could really see all those beautiful colors. The orange, the yellow, the green, the red. We just want to make sure that we cut everything almost the same size so that when it's mixed in the rice, you could really see all those colors. And of course, the bell pepper will release all the delicious flavor. This is a large green bell pepper, and I'm just going to slice it and cut it in half. This is completely done. I'm going to go ahead and transfer it here to my dish. Okay. Now, let's put it aside. My pan is nice and hot. I'm going to go ahead and add my butter. You want to go ahead and moist and get all the pan from the sides, from the center. We want to coat the completely pan in the center. Once this is done, we're going to go ahead and add our rice. We're going to mix it. We want the rice to really be covered with that butter. Once everything is really nice and coated, we're going to go ahead and start adding our chicken bouillon. Remember, chicken bouillon is to taste, but it really gives such a delicious flavor to your rice. We're going to go ahead, mix it around, making sure that everything is nice and coated. Once everything is really incorporated, I'm going to go ahead and add my bell peppers. Look at this. Look at these beautiful colors. All the rainbow colors are here. You know something? It just looks amazing. After you have complete and incorporated the bell peppers, well, then we're going to start by adding the hot water, boiling water. We want to make sure that we add just enough, just like this. Let's mix it around. Let's cover it, lower the heat to medium low, and let it cook for at least 10 minutes. It started boiling, and look at this. Look how beautiful this looks. Okay, I'll see you in 10 minutes. 10 minutes have passed, and look, my rice is completely done. You could see all those beautiful colors of the bell peppers. The rice is really nice and fluffy. It's not sticking to the pan, not even to the sides, but I want to show you this part. I am ready for the presentation, and I can't wait to taste it. This just looks amazing. You could even pull the little pieces of rice apart. I can't wait to taste it. My friends, I am completely done with this bell pepper rice. You know something? This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. With all these bell peppers and all those colors, all those flavors. Well, I just can't wait. My mouth is already watering. Excuse me. All those flavors of the bell pepper really gave the rice such a delicious flavor. Excuse me. Just amazing. And of course, I have a peach raspberry lemonade that you already have on my channel. Excuse me. The perfect combination for this delicious rice. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, give me thumbs up, share my video on social media so more people get to know Cooking with Gloria. Don't forget to push the notification bell so every time I make a new recipe, yes, you are going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will be enjoying this delicious bell pepper rice. I hope you could enjoy it at home with your family. Bye-bye.